So
just wish I could.
That's a steak.
I just wish I could taste it.
You will in a couple minutes.
Okay.
Pegged out above 700 degrees. Probably a little too hot, so of course burp it. Open it up. Fire ring was removed. It didn't fit perfectly with the new grates, but that's not a problem. Alright, it's had enough now with direct heat, so we're actually going to do a little swapping here. We'll take this off, add the fire ring back in, damper down at the bottom, pretty much all the way, and the top. The reason for this is it has the sear on the outside that we want. Now we want to, as slowly as we can, bring up the internal temperature on the inside of that steak. Because this isn't unhealthy enough and fat enough as it is. Not sure how well you're seeing this here, but got some butter. We are just putting it on the top. Delicious. In from outside, cover it up. The steak looks absolutely incredible. Cannot wait. Oof. Alright, so it's a little overcooked, you know. No one's perfect. Not bad. So here you got it. Nice little tomahawk, cowboy, whatever you want to call it, steak.